The world of extraordinary animals. The animal kingdom is a realm of unimaginable wonders, a place where evolution has crafted creatures with abilities and behaviors that seem to defy logic. Take, for instance, the pistol shrimp, a tiny crustacean with a truly explosive secret. This small shrimp, often no bigger than your thumbnail, possesses a claw that it can snap shut with such incredible speed that it creates a cavitation bubble. This bubble, which collapses with a thunderous pop, generates a shockwave that can reach temperatures of 4,700 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun, and creates a sound loud enough to temporarily deafen a human. This powerful punch is faster than a bullet and is used not to touch its prey, but to stun or kill it from a safe distance. The shrimp then uses its claw to drag the incapacitated prey back into its burrow. This is just one example of the specialized adaptations found in the ocean's depths. The ocean also holds the tiny tardigrade, often called a water bear, a microscopic creature that is a master of survival. It can endure conditions that would instantly kill any other known life form, including the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, and temperatures from just above absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water. These two creatures alone highlight the astonishing diversity and resilience of life on Earth. The world is full of these small, yet powerful, wonders, each one a testament to the endless creativity of nature. From the microscopic to the macroscopic, from the known to the undiscovered, the animal kingdom is a continuous source of amazement and surprise. It is a world where the laws of physics are bent and broken, where the impossible is made possible, and where every creature, no matter how small, has a story to tell. Strange social structures and courtship rituals. Beyond their physical prowess, many animals exhibit social behaviors and courtship rituals that are as strange as they are captivating. Consider the courtship of the male penguin. Instead of grand displays or elaborate songs, the male penguin embarks on a quest to find the perfect pebble, a smooth and perfectly shaped stone that he will present to his chosen mate. This simple gift is a symbol of his commitment and a promise to help build a nest. If the female accepts the pebble, they become a bonded pair for life, sharing the duties of raising their young. This seemingly simple act of giving a rock is a profound gesture of devotion in the penguin world. On the other end of the spectrum, the bizarre mating habits of the anglerfish are a stark contrast. The male anglerfish, which is much smaller than the female, finds a female and bites into her flesh. He then releases an enzyme that dissolves his skin and her skin, fusing their bodies together. His circulatory system connects to hers, and he becomes a permanent parasite, providing sperm for her eggs in exchange for nutrients. He essentially becomes a part of her body. These are not the only strange social behaviors. A group of flamingos is known as a flamboyance, a name that perfectly suits their vibrant pink and red feathers, which they get from the beta-carotene in the algae and crustaceans they eat. Without this specific diet, they would turn a dull gray. Even seemingly common farm animals like cows have a complex social life. Studies have shown that cows have best friends and prefer to spend their time with specific individuals. When separated from their chosen companions, they show signs of stress, including an increased heart rate. These examples demonstrate that the animal kingdom is filled with unexpected social complexities and emotional depth, proving that there is more to these creatures than meets the eye. Unusual anatomical features and adaptations. The bodies of animals are a treasure trove of unusual and highly specific adaptations, each one a solution to a unique environmental challenge. The giraffe, for example, has a towering height that comes with a significant physiological problem: blood pressure. To pump blood all the way up its long neck to its brain, a giraffe's heart needs to generate immense pressure, about twice that of a human's. However, when the giraffe bends down to drink, this high pressure could cause a fatal rush of blood to its head. To prevent this, nature has equipped the giraffe with a special system of valves and elastic blood vessels in its neck that regulate the blood flow, ensuring its brain remains undamaged. Another remarkable example of adaptation is the hummingbird, a tiny bird with an enormous metabolism. To fuel its constant, rapid wing movements, a hummingbird's heart beats at an astonishing rate, over 1,200 times a minute. This incredible cardiovascular performance is what allows it to hover in midair and even fly backward, a feat no other bird can accomplish. The heart of the majestic blue whale is a different kind of marvel. The largest animal on Earth has a heart the size of a small car, weighing about 400 pounds. Despite its massive size, its heart rate is incredibly slow, beating only a few times a minute, a testament to the efficiency required to pump blood throughout its colossal body. And what about the fingerprints of a koala? They are so remarkably similar to human fingerprints that on occasion, they have been confused at a crime scene. This striking similarity is due to the ridges and patterns in the pads of their fingers, a perfect example of convergent evolution. These anatomical oddities are not random but are the result of millions of years of natural selection, each one a perfect fit for the animal's way of life. The diversity of these features is a constant reminder of the endless possibilities of biological design. Bizarre and mysterious animal groupings. One of the more whimsical aspects of the animal kingdom is the names given to groups of animals, many of which are as strange and surprising as the animals themselves. While we're all familiar with a flock of birds, a herd of cattle, or a school of fish, the names for other animal groups are far more imaginative and mysterious. A group of crows, for example, is called a murder. This term, which dates back to the 15th century, has a few possible origins. One theory is that it stems from the crow's association with omens of bad luck or death. Another is that it comes from the crow's behavior of gathering together to attack a predator, which could be seen as a murder of the intruder. Regardless of its origin, the term is a perfect example of the strange and evocative language used to describe the animal world. Similarly, a group of rhinos is called a crash, a name that is humorously fitting for these large, powerful animals. A group of owls is known as a parliament, perhaps because of their wise and serious appearance. A group of ferrets is called a business, a term that seems to perfectly capture their quick, scurrying, and somewhat sneaky movements. And a group of hummingbirds is a charm, a beautiful and fitting name for these tiny, jewel-toned birds. These collective nouns, often called terms of venery, provide a glimpse into the human perspective on the animal kingdom. They are a blend of observation, folklore, and creative language, and they add a layer of mystery and charm to our understanding of animals. These names remind us that our relationship with the natural world is not just scientific, but also cultural and imaginative. They are a fun and quirky way of categorizing the creatures with whom we share this planet.